children, how are you? I think you all are fine. Okay, now we are going to a very bad condition. The whole world is facing a very bad condition, that is the coronavirus, and so that is the only reason why we are staying at our home, and this is the only solution. If we stay at our home, we will be safe. Okay, for this reason we all are at home, and due to this reason we cannot go to schools also. Schools are all closed. Okay, so for this reason we have started our online classes. Okay, online classes. I'll teach you, I'll send you my videos, I'll make worksheets, I will send you, you'll sit at home and you'll do it by yourself. Okay, so otherwise it will be too late to finish our syllabus. Okay, now I'll teach you English. I'll teach you English grammar, class 1 English grammar. Okay, so the first chapter that you have in English grammar is English alphabet. You all have your books. You have got your books. You can take it out and you can see the first chapter is the English alphabet. Okay, now what is alphabet? Okay, in English it is very important to know what are alphabets. Okay, otherwise you cannot write or read anything without alphabets. So alphabets are very important for you. Okay, everyone has to learn alphabets. Without alphabets you cannot do anything. Okay, now what are alphabets? Alphabets are set of letters arranged in fixed order. What are alphabets? Alphabets are set of letters arranged in fixed order. Okay, now what are alphabets? Alphabets are set of letters arranged in fixed order. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so these are our alphabets. Okay, these are called set of letters. Alphabets are also called what? Letters. These are also known as letters arranged in fixed order. A, B, C, D. Do you write C, D, A, B? No, these are not arranged in fixed order. So what is arranged in fixed order? A, B, C, D. This is the arrangement of fixed order. If you write D, F, G, A, E, this is not in fixed order. Okay, so when we write A, B, C, D, E, F, this is the arrangement in fixed order. So what is alphabet? Arrangement of letters in fixed order. Okay, letters that is arranged in fixed order is known as alphabet. Okay, now how many ABC letters are there? There are 26 letters. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. You count A, B, C from A to Z, you will find there are 26 letters. Okay, so there are 26 letters. And there are two types of letters, capital letter and small letter. There are how many types of letters? Two types of letters, capital letter, small letter. How many letters are there? 26 letters now. Okay, now capital, capital letter, I think. See, these are all capital letters. These are what? These are all capital letters. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all capital letters. Now same way we have small letters also. Okay, so these are all what? See, these are all small letters. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how many types of letters are there? Capital letter and small letter. Okay, there are two. Capital letter 26 letters, small letter also 26 letters. Okay, so what have you learnt in this? Alphabets. What are alphabets? How many types of letters are there? Two types. How many letters are there? So what are alphabets? Now let me revise one. What are alphabets? Arrangement of letters in fixed order is known as alphabets. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. How many types of letters are there? There are two types of letters, capital letter and small letter. Okay, now next, why do we learn letters? Why do we learn A, B, C, D? We learn letters to make word. What we learn? We learn letters to make words. Why do we learn letters? We learn letters to make words. Okay, suppose if you write A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D is a word? No, A, B, C, D is just arrangement of letters. Okay, now suppose ABT. ABT is arrangement of letters in jumble way. So ABT. Now if you arrange ABT in a fixed order, Okay, like if you make it BAT, it will become what? Bat. So why do we learn letters? To make words with the letters. Okay, bat. The word bat has 3 letters, BAT. If we arrange BAT in fixed order, in proper order, it becomes a word that is bat, and bat is a thing that we play with. Okay, same way God. God is what? God is God. God is what? God. God we pray. Okay, so if you arrange the letters, okay, proper way, it will make words. Why do we learn letters? To make words. Same way TAC, if I write TAC, TAC is nothing, but if I arrange in TAC in other way, CAT, it becomes CAT. CAT is cat, so it becomes a word. So why do we learning letters? We learn letters to make words. Clear now? So this is the first chapter. The first chapter is all about these things, letters and words. Okay, now look at the first page. Turn to your book. See, this is what? This is capital letters. You have the book. This is small letters. Okay, now turn the page. See, you see here there are dotted lines. Have you seen here? Dotted lines ABCD and dotted lines small letter, capital letter ABCD, small letter ABCD. This one you will do it by yourself in book. You will do one time in book, and you will write 5 times in your copy. You have your school copy. 5 times capital letter A to Z and 5 times small letter A to Z. You will write in your copy. This will be your homework. Okay, clear? See, okay. Now this will be your homework. 5 times capital letter and 5 times small letter. So this is the first chapter. First chapter is all about what? Letters. And when alphabetical orders. Okay, now alphabetical orders means, now next is comes alphabetical order. Next thing what we have is alphabetical order. Now what is alphabetical order? When we arrange the letters in alphabetical order, okay, this is known as alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. When we arrange it, that is called alphabetical order. Now, if I ask you what is alphabetical order, arrangement of letters in fixed arrangement of letters in fixed way is known as alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is A, B, C, D order. A, B, C, D order is also known as alphabetical order. Okay. So we have, this is the first chapter. We have learned many things in this chapter. Now first let me ask you questions now. What are alphabets? How many type of letters are there? How many types of alphabets are there? Sorry, not how many types of alphabets. What are alphabets? How many types of letters are there? How many letters are there? And what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order, and why do we learn letters? Okay, now let me revise one. What is alphabet? Now, alphabet. Arrangement of letters in fixed order is known as alphabet. Arrangement of letters in fixed order is known as alphabet. There are 26 letters. There are 2 types of letters, capital letter and small letter. We learn letters. Why do we learn letters? We learn letters to make words. And what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order, ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. Very simple. ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. Okay. Now let me revise once more. If I ask you what are alphabets? What are alphabets? Now you have to answer. Arrangement of letters in fixed order is known as alphabets. Now next, if I ask you how many types of letters are there, you have to say there are 2 types of letters. How many types of letters are there? There are 2 types of letters. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Why do we learn letters? We learn letters to make words. What is alphabetical order? ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. Okay, ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. So now in this chapter, what are the things we have learned? We have learned 4-5 things. See, first is what is alphabet? How many types of alphabets are there? How many types of letters are there? Why do we learn letters? And what is alphabetical order? Clear? So first chapter is this, and your homework will be, you write capital letter 5 times in your copy and small letter 5 times in your copy. Clear? Now jumble letters, you know. Jumble letters, I told you ABT is not a word. ABT is jumbled. But if you arrange it ABT, it becomes BAT. Same way CAT is cat. Okay. Now see the last page of the chapter. Page number 8. Page number 8. See the last page of the chapter, page number 8. See, this is jumbled. This letter, this is the picture of a fan, but this is jumbled. It's not arranged properly. If you arrange in properly, what will become? It will become FAN, fan. This also jumbled. VAN, van. This also jumbled. It will become owl. This will become rose, lion, lamb, book, fish, duck, tree, ball, lock. This one you can do it by yourself. Okay, this is very easy. See the picture and write the names. Okay. Okay, this you try it by yourself for your self practice. Okay, but your homework will be 5 times capital letter and 5 times small letters. Okay, so let me ask you questions now. What is an alphabet? What is an alphabet? Next is, how many letters are there in alphabet? How many types of letters are there? Why do we learn letters? And last one, what is alphabetical order? Now let me revise once more. Last. Okay. What is an alphabet? Letters arranged in fixed order is known as alphabet. What is alphabet? Letters arranged in fixed order is known as alphabet. Next is, how many types of letters are there? There are 26. There are 2 types of letters. Sorry, there are 2 types of letters. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. There are 26 letters. Why do we learn letters? We learn letters to make words. We learn letters to make words. And last one, what is alphabetical order? ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. ABCD order is known as alphabetical order. I think it is clear. Everyone understood? Okay. If you have any problem, you can question me. Okay. So the first chapter is for today is this much. The first chapter overs. So class 1 chapter is English alphabet. English grammar first chapter is English alphabet. So what is alphabet? How many letters are there in alphabet? How many types of letters are there? Why do we learn letters? And what is alphabetical order? Only these few things are there in the first chapter. Clear? Okay. For today, this much. Thank you.